Hi everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is the place where we learn how to bake and cook together every week. I'm here to tell you a bit about the pistachio cake I made for the Green monthly collaboration, because lots of people love pistachios and lots of people have asked me what recipe I used. I've only found the recipe online and the taste was really yum. So I will show you guys how to do it step by step, and I hope you like it. And if you do try to do it, please tag me in it so I can see. There are pictures on my Instagram account, which is at Christina's Cuisine, and on YouTube the video will be on Rapid as you're used to by now. And if you like what you see here today, guys, and you're not one of my subscribers yet, please consider subscribing. It would mean so much to me. And don't forget to tap that little bell, because that way you get notifications every time we put the video up. And I do hope you enjoy and you're staying safe, staying at home and keeping safe, taking care of yourselves. And don't forget, until next time, go break an egg. Okay guys, so ingredients for the pistachio cake we are making. We have 125 grams of self-raising flour or cake flour or white flour. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of baking powder, then 1 teaspoon of baking soda, bicarbonate of soda, then a pinch of salt, which is here, and 43 grams of butter, and also 1 large egg, a few drops of green food colorings if you want it to be a bit green. Not sure if I'm going to use that yet. And we will need 1 teaspoon of almond essence, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. This is milk, 5 tablespoons of milk. We have here 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. I have grounded about 90 grams of pistachios, and I kept a few just for decor on top. And also here we have about 180 grams of sugar, or 12 tablespoons, and 2 tablespoons of canola oil. So there's quite a few ingredients here, and the first thing is first, you will need a tray. So I'm gonna use a small like bundt little cake tray, and then I have the extra tin here just in case I have enough composition for another little cake. And I'm preheating the oven now at 180 degrees fan, which is gas 4, 350 Fahrenheit. So first thing, you ground your pistachios, and then we have to sift the flour and the baking soda and the baking powder and the salt, and beat the butter with the sugar together with the mixer until they're nice and fluffy. So let's get started. Okay guys, so we sifted flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, beating butter, sugar, oil. Now adding the egg. First I'm gonna fill out my little ones because I want them to look pretty. So with the help of 2 spoons, go. Okay, so I've took another tin out because it was too much composition, but it's absolutely fine. And now we're gonna bake them for about 25 minutes at 180, 375 Fahrenheit, or gas 3. So I'll show you guys when I take them out. Stay tuned. Guys, so these are the little ones that came out of the tray last night. Yeah. So we're gonna decorate separately. So these I'm gonna decorate with green candy melt here. It's on a Ben Murray. So this has to be very hot to So there you go. Yeah. So two different decorations for the same cake. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you next time.